Alrighty, welcome to day 23 for physical science, AMI. Just making a little tutorial here to help people out just a little bit. I'll read it to you first. It says, momentum is a characteristic of a moving object that is related to the mass and the velocity of the object. The momentum of a moving object can be determined by multiplying the object's mass in kilograms by the object's velocity in meters per second. The units of momentum are kilograms meters per second. Let's put the two things together. Momentum equals mass times velocity. Table 2.3 shows the mass and velocity of 4 animals. 1. Which animal has the greatest momentum? Show your work. The blank has the greatest momentum. 2. A grizzly bear attack is considered one of the most scary events people have experienced. Looking at the information, why would a grizzly bear be more frightening than a cheetah? According to the data, a grizzly bear would be more frightening than a cheetah because... So if we go over here to our table, remembering what they said, that momentum is mass times velocity, and look at our table here, what they've given us is they have not given us the momentum, how inconvenient, They've given us the mass in kilograms and the velocity in meters per second. So what they're expecting us to do is to multiply it ourselves and figure it out for each one. Notice over here it says which animal has the greatest momentum, so we're going to have to check all 4. Show your work, so they do want you to show what you're putting together. What is our work? Well, momentum is mass times velocity, so we're going to take the mass of each one, multiply it times the velocity, and find the total momentum over there. Once you have all 4 of those, you'll be able to easily tell which one is the greatest and simply answer the question. So please notice though, you're not just saying this one's the greatest when you turn it into us for an answer. They said show your work, so you need to show what it is for each one and then circle or indicate which one is the greatest to get credit for that part of the question. They're giving you an awfully big hint here by saying here in number 2 that a grizzly bear attack is considered one of the scariest events that people have ever experienced. The horror is unspeakable, I guess. Looking at the information, why would a grizzly bear be more frightening than a cheetah? Well, that's totally a matter of opinion. I can see a cheetah being a horrendous experience also. But they asked you to tell why a grizzly bear is according to the data. And so, well, looking at grizzly bears here, there's kind of an obvious, really whopping big number here, and that's probably what they want you to talk about. We'll leave it up to you. Have fun, everybody.